Meet the ASUS TUF Gaming X670E-PLUS Wi-Fi, the ultimate foundation for gamers and PC builders who play to win and build to last. Fueled by the latest AMD X670E chipset and built for Ryzen 7000 series processors, this board unleashes blazing fast DDR5 performance and PCIe 5.0 speeds for next-gen graphics and storage that leave the competition in the dust. Military-grade components, enhanced power delivery, rock-solid cooling. This motherboard doesn't just perform, it outlasts even under the most intense gaming marathons or multitasking missions. Connectivity, next level. With Wi-Fi 6E 2.5 gigabit Ethernet and USB 3.2 Gen 2x2, you're always locked in, whether you're streaming, gaming, or creating. Key features include PCIe 5.0, ready for Ryzen 7000 series CPUs, AMD AM5 socket, DDR5 memory, and Gen 5 M2 support. Ultra-fast networking with Wi-Fi 6E and 2.5 GB LAN, 14+2 DRMOS power stages for superior stability, comprehensive cooling with VRM heatsinks and hybrid fan headers, ASUS TUF Gaming X670E-PLUS Wi-Fi. Stay tough, stay fast, stay in the game. Get yours now at Telquest International.